Hey, what's up, you guys? Good morning. Welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. It's currently 6:30 a.m. I'm on my way to my job to go conduct our physical inventory. But when I walked out of my house this morning, y'all can't see this, but there's a box in my hands, and it's a Curology box. I'm so freaking excited to get my skin right, y'all. So excited. When I come home later on tonight, I'll do my best to remember to show you guys what it looks like. But if all the Instagram video ads are true, then my skin's gonna be looking snatched. Okay guys, so it's a little bit after 8:30 and the inventory company and the observer are still not here yet. So I don't know if I should be worried or not yet, but I'm still feeling kind of okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's 6:03 p.m. and I'm on my way home. Today was a success. There's a lot of back end things that went down today. That was kind of like, whatever. It's done. It's the weekend. I'm going home. I'm gonna pick up my kid. We'll see if tonight brings anything. We'll see. Yeah, and drive home in traffic in the rain right now. Peace. All right, you guys, I'm finally home and I get to show you my Curology box. So this is the little component, the little bag that it comes in. There should be 3 pieces in here. Skin goals achieved. Let me get this opened up. So these are the 3 items that came in the box. I've got my custom Curology formula. This is created with ingredients specific to my skin problems that I identified when I filled out my Curology survey. So I'm really excited about that. This is the Curology moisturizer. They had 2 moisturizers that I could choose from. This one is to layer. We believe in simple, just hydrates without clogging, apply to face and neck after cleansing morning and night. The other option that they had available was a richer, thicker moisturizing cream, but I opted to get the one that's layered so that I could use it under my makeup. And the last thing in this box, or the first thing in this routine, is the Curology cleanser. This is not formulated specifically for my skin, but it's supposed to be super good. But what's really going to do the magic for me is going to be this thing. So just super quickly, this is what my skin looks like right now. It's not that bad. I don't have the worst skin. I do get like random little breakouts on my chin, neck, sometimes on my cheeks, problem areas on my nose, but overall I don't have that bad of skin. One of my biggest concerns that even the dermatologist from Curology pointed out was that I have a lot of clogged pores. And one thing that she warned me of, that my skin will get worse before it gets better, which I'm kind of concerned about, but I'm also excited to see what my skin ends up looking like in the end. So actually, I think I'm going to take a picture of my skin before and see what my skin looks like by the end of this sample set and see if it's something that I want to stick to. So for now, take a good look. This is what I look like. And in about a few weeks, a month or so, depending on how long these products last me, we'll check back in and I'll let you know how this really worked on my face. Okay, so I just took off my glasses. Please excuse the messy ass hair. The first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my face with my new Curology cleanser. I forgot I was wearing mascara. Love that. I don't know if the cleanser is safe for eyes, but I guess we're gonna find out. It doesn't have much of a scent to it, and I don't see much of a lather, which is fine. I'm just really working circular motions around the entire base of my face. I'm rubbing this on my eyes and I don't feel any burning, irritation, or stinging because I have neck acne. I'm going in and washing my neck as well. And I don't know where I heard this, but I was told to lather between 30 seconds to a minute. So I think it's been about that long, and I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Oh, nope, there's the burning. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pat my face dry. Again, I look crazy. Okay, now that my face is mostly dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the custom Curology formula made specifically for my face. And I'm just gonna work a little tiny bit at a time and apply this everywhere. Again, no real scent to it. Feels really nice though. And this product is for me to use only at nighttime, which is what my assigned dermatologist suggested. So when you sign up for Curology, you have a personal provider assigned to you that analyzes your skin based on a questionnaire that you fill out and pictures that you send in. It's for my glasses, but that's like a under the skin pimple right there. Like you can see, I do have a lot of clogged pores, and hopefully this will help your girl out. And the last step in my routine is gonna be this moisturizer. Boy, do I need this moisturizer. On my nose mostly, because since I was sick this past week, blowing my nose repeatedly has really dried out my nose, and it's kind of annoying. Honestly, this feels really good on the skin. Feels amazing. I'm also gonna moisturize my neck. I'm super rough with my face when I apply my products, and I think I'm sorry for that because it looks really bad on camera, but it feels really good on my face. So just kind of pushing everything upward. I had a few friends that were estheticians and told me to do that. I don't know what it does, but that's what I'm doing right now. And I don't know if you can see or tell a difference, but this is pretty much what my face looks like. I don't know. We'll give it a couple weeks and see what comes of my skin, but as of right now, no complaints. So I told my sister-in-law that one of the things that I'm worried about is me picking out my face in this whole worse before it gets better stage. Sorry, I'm walking through my house. And just a quick update, I feel a little bit of tingling right here, like a little bit of irritation. I don't know if that's from the products or what, but the rest of my face doesn't feel that way, so I'm not scared. It could be because I have, I don't know, it just feels a little weird just right here. That's it. It also could be from blowing my nose, and my skin's a little raw in that area, so I think I'm gonna cook one of my every plate meals, so let's see how it turns out. Tonight I decided that I'm gonna make the Greek chicken pitas. I'm gonna get all the ingredients that I need together to make this, and I probably won't show the step-by-step, but I'll show you guys the finished result. And in case you were wondering, in the back, on the back of the card is the actual like directions on how to make the meal. So let's see if by following these directions I get anything that looks like this. Okay, so this is where I'm at so far. I've sliced my tomatoes, chopped my garlic. I'm about to zest a lemon on my cheese grater because I don't have a lemon zester. And then in the oven, I'm roasting some potatoes, and that's where we are for now. So if I'm not freaking mistaken, this thing says Turkish spice. I checked everywhere. I do not have Turkish spice. Nope, not good. All right, you guys, this is the photo of the Greek chicken pitas with sour cream, tzatziki, and lemony potato wedges. and this is mine. I don't know. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Only the taste test will tell. And yeah. So I'm gonna take a bite of my fat ass pita. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Bomb. Bomb. Try the lemony potatoes. So, excuse me. The Turkish spice was missing, but I just did without it, and they still come out bomb AF. So, I recommend every plate still.